Hi YouTube, it's Wednesday, January 9, 2008, and I am TheBackTalker. And this is a video about Bill Gates. That's right, boys and girls. Bill Gates, the chairman of Microsoft, has retired. Now, a lot of people know him as the richest man in the world, but he was also a lucrative businessman and had a few screw-ups in his day. So I'm going to talk about a couple of those. Now, most notably was his purchase of DOS, Disk Operating System. He bought DOS from a small company called Seattle Computers for $50,000. $50,000 started the largest wealth in history. Now the problem with DOS is it wasn't an original program. It was a copy of a program called ROS. Now along with that came a lot of legal issues. Most notably was a settlement to a company called Caldera for $150 million. Now another lucrative move was more subtle. When Navigator came out with the world's first Internet Explorer, all Bill Gates had to say was that Microsoft was thinking about bringing out an Internet Explorer. After that, Navigator's sales plummeted over 30%. Now Bill Gates' career had many screw-ups too. Most recently was the long-awaited Windows Vista. Now I posted a video on the side and it talks about Windows voice recognition program. So people definitely lost their jobs over this one. Now, as a proud owner of an Xbox 360, I like to think that's the best in the world. But there's some things wrong with it. One thing is the AC adapter is the size of a Wii, and another thing is they overheat. Now mine hasn't overheated yet, but I've got some friends and they've seen those horrible 3 rings of death. Another thing is their HD DVD box. Now, seeing how HD DVD has gone the way of the dinosaur, thing seems kind of useless right now. Oh yeah, and it also costs $200. But in all fairness, Bill Gates is a smart guy, and who hasn't had their hand in the cookie jar once or twice? Oh yeah, he's also a philanthropist to rival Mother Teresa. So, have fun in retirement, Bill. I hear seniors like the carpet bowl.